Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video series on TikTok. So for instance, you've uploaded part 1 or 2 or 3 of your video and you want to link that. I suggest going the other order, so the last part first, so you can keep linking the videos. So if they wanted to go to part 2 next, they can go to that video by pressing on the part 1 video. Hope that made sense, but I'm just going to press the plus button here, and I'm just going to record something. You can also get it from your media, of course. So for instance, this is a video series. This is the part 1. Press next. And for instance, I want to link part 2, so I'm just going to select the video section here. Make sure you type in part 2 is here, or click here to watch part 2. Select videos, and it's going to find the videos that you've posted on the posted. I've only posted one, so I'm just going to select that, and it's going to be there in the description box. And that's how you can create a video series on TikTok. Make sure it's on a playlist too, so viewers can easily find it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!